to between wash days, just to avoid too many trips to the laundromat. Some of the clothes we wear more often around here. Wash a few things by hand. If you get the opportunity to listen to the new show I do on the Survival Mom Network, it goes into a little more detail. And on our blog, yourpreparationstation.com blog, it's at the end, sharing or something like that. Go into a little bit more, even more detail. But I'm going to show you real quick. Just a few things we do by hand in order to stretch the trips to the laundromat. The best part about this is where it gets the dirtiest you can actually clean versus laundromat, washer, dryer, or whatever. So the colored clothes, just some good soapy water. Rub it against the soap. As much as I can by hand. Over here for several good rinse. This is hot water, well, warm water. Get down to my favorite. I'll bring you over. See that? It's a salad spinner. Get the good stuff out in this. Need water. Get a bit of water out of this. But I looked up some non-electric washing opportunities, offers, and objects. And a lot of them use centrifugal force for the wringing and washing method. Since I had this, and these are clean clothes, I thought I'd give it a try. I was pleasantly surprised. Watch this. That much more water, so it'll dry that much faster. This pair of pants was really hard to wring out, so I'm kind of interested to see how much water comes out when I spin it. Oh wow. Okay, kitty. That much. Awesome. So my salad spinner theory works pretty good. I'm going to show you my whites in a second. Not all of them. Okay, for the whites, I usually do use a little bit of bleach just because it helps to get them cleaner. Just a little. And I let it soak for a while. These are socks. Small, they'll dry easily. And I wash them with rubber gloves on, so I'm not sticking my hands down into here. So these are going to soak a bit. Bring them out and hang them up and show you our solar dryer. Okay, so socks. I didn't make a boo. I'm hiding the tidy whities. Socks. Spinning out. About 8 socks, 4 pair. Back in a minute. So now I'm going to show you the solar powered dryer. I'm not going to show you the 14, it's 14 articles of clothing that are the unmentionables, the tidy-whities and undergarments. But I will show you the rest of our laundry that is done in the sink by hand. Socks, I try to pair them up so it's easy when it's time to fold them. They're all together, except I have this one rebellious sock. I have one that went on strike. It's not a dryer thing. I'm sure it's in the nature of a sock to disappear. And there's proof. I use the salad spinner to drain these. So this is our laundry. It's gonna stop right about, yeah, you're not seeing past here, but there's more. So we have, this is all done by hand. This was the first one I put out. By the time I hung up my last item, this is done. And it's not that hot out yet. So here's our adventure in washing laundry by hand. We do this at least once a week to just kind of make it up so that really only go to the laundromat once every 3 weeks, sometimes once a month. We do 2 or 3 loads that are too heavy to wash by hand. So, or the really grimy stuff, because there are some socks that when you work in the garden get pretty nasty. All right, we will have more to show you. I think we're getting ready to get into the spring house and find some old things that are surprises. Meanwhile, it is spring, working on getting the garden ready and some seedlings out, apple trees in bloom, dog's acting like a weirdo. Yeah, come back and join us on our journey. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye.